I'm Molly Superthorpe. Today I'm going to demonstrate how I make these beautiful ethereal watercolor mandalas in Procreate. I'm going to be using various brushes and backgrounds from my newest pack, the Ultimate Lettering and Calligraphy Procreate Kit. All the textures and brushes in this pack are really high resolution, so provided that you choose a really high resolution for your Procreate canvas, you'll be able to use your finished design in print, on products, in pattern designs, to put on greeting cards. Really, the sky is the limit. Throughout the video, I've added written captions to tell you little instructions along the way. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy.
We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't know. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. We're all in this. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know. Hello, Ramona. I mistook you for a dream. The engine glows, and I guess you always seem to know. Hello, Ramona. I push back the serious feeling. The end's unknown. To get back the life I used to know. I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together. Take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together. Take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin and bones, is all gone. Wait, hold on. Put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone.
Thank you so much for following along, and I hope that you enjoyed today's demonstration. If you're interested in getting the Ultimate Lettering and Calligraphy Procreate Kit, please just check the link below. I'll see you back here next week.